Hey guys, welcome back to Starkville YouTube channel. For this video, I have an amazing Milwaukee deal over at Home Depot to share with you. I will tag it with the YouTube shopping link. For what it's worth, this is a deal I bought myself. It is pretty amazing. You're going to love it. It's the M12 Fuel Brushless Cordless High Speed 3/8-inch Ratchet with the M12 Fuel cutoff tool. So you're getting both tools, getting two of the 2.5 amp hour batteries. Those are the high output, a little bit newer batteries than some of the original stuff. And the high-speed ratchet, I believe that's 400 RPM and 35 foot-pounds of torque. So really nice ratchet. It's fuel. So maybe you have the OG one, and you can give yourself a little upgrade on the cheap because you're getting all of that for $199. And a couple of quick comparisons just so you can see. $499 for this same kit over at Acme Tools, and over at Summit it is $498.99. So $500 everywhere else and only a $199 at Home Depot. If you're willing to sell stuff on Facebook Marketplace or on eBay or something, keep the pieces you need. Maybe you only want the ratchet, maybe you only want the cutoff tool, sell the other one, you get your money back. If we look at Home Depot, just buying the ratchet by itself is $199. So you're essentially getting all this other stuff for free. So really amazing deal. Definitely should be taking advantage of that one. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give the video a like, subscribe for a nice subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.